what I've been riding for. I've been riding down here to this beach, here in Ewa Beach. I don't know how well you can see that, but those are airplanes taking off. They're lined up to take off. You see Hawaiian Airlines. I think that's a Aloha Air. There's a 737 turning onto the runway right now. I don't know how well you can see it. That's pretty cool. And I don't know how well, but there's a plane taking off as well. That's cool. It's really windy out here, but of course this is the beach. It wasn't like this last time I was out here. It's been a while. My friend lives a short distance from here. That was the reason I was down here that one time. I haven't been back since until now, which was about 5 months ago. That big mountain right there, that's called Diamond Head. Apparently some explorers came here and they said it looked like a diamond rising out of the ocean, so that's how it got its name. Right now, there's a ATR 72 from Island Air. He's about to turn the final. It's really loud. About to turn the final to land on 8 left. That's a very short final, if you ask me. Because right now we're sitting in the ocean, the opening to Pearl Harbor. If you look over there, you can see a control tower and possibly a pink building. That control tower is a control tower for Hickam Air Force Base. Hickam Air Force Base is shared with Honolulu International Airport, so that is an extremely short final. That's amazing how short of a final that is. I'd be scared shitless if I was a passenger on board there, or the pilot. I would not want to be the pilot flying.